Good morning.
Good morning.
This morning, we are here to inform the general public the decision of the Federal Capital Territory Administration in respect of those beneficiaries of the federal government sold houses that convert their properties to other uses than residential. I want to make it clear to all concerned that the Honourable Minister of Federal Capital Territory, Barrister Nyesom, Wike, had approved the withdrawal and revocation of the sales of those particular properties that had been converted to other uses. We are giving such persons or individuals to the end of this month, October, to revert back to the original uses. Otherwise, from November 1st, they should consider such properties as revoked and to be returned back to FCT administration. The federal government in 2005 initiated this monetization program because of the cost of maintaining federal government properties. And individuals were sold houses to own their properties so that they can maintain them. However, after some time, some of these beneficiaries converted the use of these properties for residential to something else. It has constituted so much burden in terms of city administration and management that this administration felt that it cannot condone it any longer. It's on this note that the Honourable Minister, FCT, had approved and directed that all owners of such properties should revert the use of the property to its original and designated land use, which is residential. Failing to comply with this directive, as from November 1st, the house is considered as revoked. So they have no right over such properties. Honourable Minister has also directed that owners of properties, particularly along major streets that have converted their uses without approval, should either revert back to its original uses or they pay contravention charges. And anyone that failed to comply with this directive, the administration will take appropriate action, which may include revocation. So it is on this note we felt it wise to inform the general public the decision and direction of the FCT administration as regards to indiscriminate conversion of land uses in the federal capital city. This is done to maintain the sanctity of the Abuja master plan. So far, we have recorded 111 cases of land use conversion in respect of the sold federal government houses. And this got across all the districts of the federal capital city. Yes. And then further to that, we have informed and we have given notice to these owners of these properties to revert back to the original land uses, but they have failed to comply. So that's why we informed the Honourable Minister on our desire to recommend the revocation of the sale of these federal government sold houses. On the issue of the tax team, yes, the Honourable Minister directed that all shanties, squalets, and other nuisances should be cleared across the city. And the tax team, which comprises of Department of Development Control, Department of Road Traffic Service, Department of Abuja Environmental Protection Board, Command and Control in the Department of FCT Security Services Department, Department of Parks and Recreation, and other security agencies form the tax team. we've been able to go around the entire federal capital city. We started with Kaswandere, which we have cleared now, and beautification is ongoing. We moved to Kabusa Junction at the intersection of Ring Road 2 and Ossex. And then from there, we moved to Galadimawa roundabout, as well as the corridor from Kabusa Junction to Galadimawa roundabout.